All right, so since my first recording did not have sound for some reason, I want to go ahead and re-record your 6.09 quiz help video today with some sound. So here we have Joe who bought 25 apples. 3 of the 12 large apples were red, 10 of the small apples were green. So if you look there, we're going to compare all of the tables and see which ones are correct. So which ones have the correct info? You'll notice there in the first table, under the large column, it says 3 of the 12 were red. 3 of the 12 large apples. That has the correct info. That first table, 3 of the 12 large were red. We're going to check each of the following tables for that information. The next one does not have correct info because it has 12 out of 15 total large ones being red. Same type of issue goes on with the next table. You have 12 out of 25 being red, so that is not correct either. And then in the final table, it's the same issue as the second table, where you have 12 out of 15 apples, 12 out of the 15 large apples being red, which that is also not correct because it says 3 out of 12. So you get rid of that one. It has to be the first one just based on that, but you could double check with the 10 of the small apples were green. Well, there had to be 13 small apples since 12 of them were large. That means the other 13 had to be small. And notice 10 were green, 3 were red. 10 out of the total 13. You see your total of 25. Everything is good there. This next one talks about people who have brothers or sisters, both or neither. So those who have a brother are in the green circle. Those who have a sister are in the blue. And then those who have both are in the shaded area in between. There are 9 people that have both. And then there are 10 that have neither. So now we want to look for this information in the given tables. So if you look here, there should be 10 people in the does not have a brother and does not have a sister category. That's correct for the first table. The first table has that. 10 people that don't have a brother or a sister. The second one also has it. Third one does not, fourth one does not. So those 2 are both gone. Then we'll just start looking at another part of the Venn diagram. Let's look at the 12 people that have a brother but don't have a sister. So there should be 12 people that are in the has a brother category but are also in the does not have a sister category. And that one has 15 people. So that's not correct. There's not 15 people that have a brother and don't have a sister. There are 12. So the second one has to be correct. And you can double check the rest of the info. There's 15 people that have a sister but don't have a brother. There are 9 people that have a sister and have a brother. And then that will be it. So we've got that all checked off. It's the second option there. Finally, we have this question that says, what is the probability that a randomly selected book is a nonfiction paperback? Write the probability as a percent, round to the nearest tenth of a percent. So paperbacks are right there. That is the column for nonfiction and the row for paperback. There are 23 that are nonfiction paperbacks out of 69. 23 divided by 69, you'll get your answer there. Just remember to round to the nearest tenth of a percent, so write it as a percent, but round it to 1 decimal place, and you will go from there.